Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you guys how to install the cabin filter on the 2006 Honda Civic EX 4-door. So I've ordered this bad boys, front pad boys, for $24. You have to do it online if you want to save $3. In store it's like 27 bucks. So it's pretty easy to replace this filter. I'm going to show you guys how to do it without any tools. So let's open this up, and in here, I don't know if you can see, but if you press on this right here, see that part moving back there? Press on this side, and then on this side, press this corner. So by pressing both sides, it'll loosen up, and you can just, while you're pressing it, just pull the tray down. So the only thing that's really holding the tray up is this little plastic piece right here. So if you press it, it moves that in like that. And same thing on this side. Little plastic roller right there. You can see it. And yeah, it's pretty simple. So to pull the filter out, there's a clip right here. Just press that in that way. Press this side, and then press on this side over here. So let's see if I can do that with holding the camera and do it with one hand. This on that side. It's easy if I have two free hands. There you go. So the filter is pretty dirty and dark. I mean, it's supposed to be white, but anyway, be sure when you guys put in the new one, make sure the airflow goes down like this one, and don't flip it upside down, because for some reason this is how the air goes. So let me take out the new one and throw it in here, and we'll put it back. Get this guy out. It's brand new. So here on the side says airflow. Let me pull this baby out and set it up here. And I think it sits like that. Remember, make sure the airflow goes down, because the air is going to come from the top. So it's pretty simple, right? Just slide in there, put it back in there, and slide it back in there. Sorry. That's it. Just make sure it clips that click in. So to close this thing again, just press on both ends, this on both sides. Press it, lightly push it in until it pops back in. And that's it, guys. I hope this video helps you guys. If you like it, thumbs up, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.